film you just watched, made with the newest model out right now, Seedance 2.5, 5 different shots, 2 characters, 1 city, 1 storm. Watch the water, watch the light on their faces. And here's the part that matters. This wasn't made on some old tool everyone's already maxed out. This is Seedance 2.5. It just launched, and almost nobody has figured out the one setting that makes this level of consistency possible. Before any of this got generated, I built something first. A complete reference library. 2 characters. Every location. The storm, the flood, even the shark. All of it made in Nano Banana. If you don't know how to build character and location references like this yourself, I've got a full breakdown. Hit the card on screen right now or check the description. Here's why this matters. Without a reference library like this, every AI generation is a gamble. Hair color shifts, rooms change, lighting resets. It looks like 5 unrelated clips taped together. With the references logged in, that problem disappears completely. Let me show you exactly how. Everything from here happens inside JXP. Hit the link in the description to head over there yourself. AI video menu, then Seedance 2.5. Since it's brand new, make sure you're on this exact version. First shot, the calm before. 3 references go in here: the coastal apartment, the calm city skyline, and my style lookbook that keeps the color grade consistent across every single clip in this film. And if you want the exact prompts and every reference image I used for this entire film, download it from the Making Sense community, link in the description. Now let me write the actual prompt for this shot. A single unbroken interior shot inside the coastal apartment with the same ocean city visible through the windows. Blue hour outside, 1 warm table lamp, oak flooring. Over 8 seconds, 1 slow, perfectly stable dolly forward toward the glass. Now watch the prompt box. You can type an @ symbol. My uploaded images show up instantly as tags. I select the apartment first. It locks in as @image1, then the city @image2, then the lookbook @image3. Every visual detail is already locked through the references. My words only describe the movement and the timing. Models already set to Seedance 2.5. Resolution 720p. Aspect ratio 16:9 to match everything else in this film. Duration 8 seconds, just enough to establish the scene. Everything's set. Let's hit generate, and there it is. Same apartment, same skyline, logged in exactly as uploaded. Second shot, same trick, new references. Maya and Daniel, uploaded once, tagged into the same apartment. Watch what happens when the storm starts. This next one is the real test. Seedance 2.5's biggest claim is native 30-second generation, 1 unbroken shot, start to finish. So I pushed it as far as it goes, using 5 references together: the calm city, the street, the storm, the flood, and the lookbook, all in one prompt. Model Seedance 2.5, resolution 720p, aspect ratio 16:9, and this time duration goes all the way to 30 seconds, the max this model can hold in one shot. Let's hit generate and see if it holds. Storm rolling in, first wave hits the seawall and the entire street goes under. 30 seconds. One generation, not one cut. And here's how it ends. Same characters, same city, same lighting, held across every single generation. That's not luck, that's a reference library, built first, tagged in every time. This is Seedance 2.5, it just came out, and this is the workflow almost nobody's using yet. If you want to try building something like this yourself, the link's in the description. Now I want to know, should I take this further, a full multi-part series, or push it with actual dialogue next? Drop it in the comments and subscribe if you want to see where this goes.